How to turn in a PDF on Google Classroom. First of all, open your Google Classroom app, and then you have all your classes listed there. On mine, I only have one class, so I'm going to tap on the class. And then we get the main stream page. Now often, like on here, we have our assignments listed. But if we go to classwork, you'll see all the assignments. So tap on that. And you get this page with listing all your assignments. Now mine only has one assignment. Yours will have a whole long list. So select the assignment that you want. And you get this. Now you're trying to figure out, how do I add something? Well, if yours is hidden, you can select this little up arrow and it gives you this. And now you can select add attachment and you get some options. If you already have the file saved, you could pick Drive. I would like PDFs. So if you're going to use your camera to make a PDF, choose Scanner, because you're going to scan your pages as a PDF. And then this comes and you take the first picture and it asks if you like it. You might have to drag the corners to the corner of your page, and then you'll say keep scan if you're happy with it. And then you listen, notice this, ready for the next scan. So then you take a picture of the next page if you have another page, which I did. So, and then I kept that scan. And now it says that was all my pages, and notice it says save, and it'll tell you how many pages. I accidentally took one twice, so I have 3 pages. And you click Save. On my phone, it takes a minute. And then immediately it starts uploading it to that assignment. So you just wait while it uploads, and wait. And then it's there. But you're not done yet because you have to turn it in. Click the Turn In button. And then you'll have to confirm and turn it in again. So you have to hit turn in twice. And there, notice it says turned in. You're done. If you want to, you can click the down arrow and you can see again that it is turned in. You're back to the main assignment page. And that is how you use Google Classroom app to turn in an assignment as a PDF.